Where am I going to sit?
Sit right here, buddy.
Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, it's Sabrina, babe. Wait.
Oh,
Oh my God! I would have almost sat on your lap. I'm not even kidding. That is so weird.
I feel a little weird right now. Hurry up, take this picture.
Well, that was cool.
I got your picture too. Give him a hug.
No, you don't get it sick.
That's really freaking cool. It's Sabrina. I gotta get it. Sorry. Maybe.
Okay, well let's sit down with this guy and take a look.
You do that. I'm going to go commercial.
I was going to look on Yelp.
Okay, you go.
Oh, jeez. Oh. I'm going to sit down next to that guy. Are you kidding me?
That's pretty funny.
I almost sat right in the middle of it. I thought, I don't know, maybe he's got something cool in it.
That was it, Mark.
I already did sit down.
You've had enough.
But you can take my picture while I'm sitting down, if he doesn't mind. I don't think he cares. Hi. See?
I'm not sure he's alive. Yeah.
Well, he acted like he was. Do you go to Vegas for the rodeo finals?
Here you go, Mark. Now she's got a buddy. She's got a buddy. Scottsdale Sam.
Well, you really tripped me out when you moved over, though.
That was fun.
Okay. Thank you. Right? This guy.
You sit with him, Bobby?
Come and sit with him. Come sit with you. Why do you like taking your picture? You never know. I'll hide my fat.
You want your pictures taken?
Sure, I'll just hurry up.
Oh.
Our friend goes to shit and then they moved and that freaked me and I'm like, oh no, what is it? I'm looking at him. Please don't move. No. No, but it was weird, sort of weird. Hey, Bob, you can repeat for me. Which all right.
What's it do?
Can he move into the middle? Oh, sorry. Wherever I get your picture, hold on.
What's it do?
What's it do? Nothing.
You know, look at that camera.
Fish on you.
Oh, look at that.
Watch out. Get ready. Duck. Cool.
Could you take our picture? I don't want to be outside the bar.
You didn't give it to me.
Okay.
Supposed to give them money?
brown statue. It's real. Isn't that something?
Now you gotta take a picture with this guy here.
Yeah. Might catch your bird still.
I want a cigarette. On it. He's very upset. What do you think? Did it move? He said, you're not supposed to move, Bob. You're not supposed to move. No, they're not supposed to move forward. Oh, trouble. That's true. Are you my little Gordy? He does it to Santa Claus. Okay, it's a good boy. Good boy. He's a boy, yeah. Mom, I know those things aren't supposed to move. Then we go back to our home, you see that one in the backyard, it's going to say, look at this white energy. How precious. You didn't like that guy, did you? That's not normal. But it's so realistic.